tayo'y magkaisa. Wag na wag kang mag-alangan, Pilipino, tara na. Laban natin ay tama, tunay na reforma sa lupa, makabuluhang trabaho at pagtatayo ng industriya ng bansa. Dahil walang makapipigil sa ating dakilang mithiin, posible ang pag-unlad kung sama-sama sa iisang hangad. Wow, wow, wow. Pagbabago, pagbabago, pagbabago para sa karaniwang tao. 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 Ngayon na ang panahon upang sulong ang pangarap na ang simpleng tao ay magkaroon ng masaganang hinaharap. Tulad ng pagtaas ng sahod at gobyernong maglilingkod, presyong abot kaya, lipunang malaya, tara sumama na. Dahil walang makapipigil sa ating dakilang mithiin, posible ang pag-unlad kung sama-sama sa iisang hangad. Wow, wow, wow. Pagbabago, pagbabago, pagbabago para sa karaniwang tao. 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 Sama-sama sa iisang hangad. Wow, wow, wow. Pagbabago, pagbabago, pagbabago para sa karaniwang tao. Pagbabago, pagbabago, pagbabago para sa karaniwang tao. Pagbabago, pagbabago, pagbabago para sa karaniwang tao. Pagbabago, pagbabago, pagbabago para sa karaniwang tao.
Pin, pipicturan ka? Pipicturan ka, magiling ka.
Slash our trip where we're going away.
My dream is coming true.
Oh my gosh.
Stop it! Going cross-eyed. It's good. It's good. Huh. This is actually kind of fun.
Love me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible is with I'm beautiful and my daughter also very beautiful. He is that handsome.
Dagmeister. Bring it on, bring it on.
Nice. Alright, so Riley, what just happened?
Basically, this is my Nalgene, and I had heard rumors in the past that these cannot brake at all. I had had friends run over them with Mack trucks, and at camp we even got in circles and each tried to smash it on the concrete. So I began to tell Phil this story, and it turns out I let him give it a go. The Nalgene is done. Many memories were shared. It was a good long journey in Australia together. We had some memorable moments here in the great Filipino land, and it is now done, no longer.
How do you feel, Riley?
I feel sad, so we're just gonna bury him, and we'll be on our way.
Yeah, to slowly open it.
Slowly.
Yeah.
Is a bird gonna come out? Is that what's gonna happen?
Dip it!
See?
That's the head of a bird.
Riley, dip it! Dip it, Riley!
Go.
No, there's literally a bird in there. I'm not kidding.
That's delicious. It's sticky. You eat. Go. There's no blood there. It's good. How does it taste? How does it taste? How does it taste?
We're a Filipino now!
Welcome to the club. Riley.
No way.